cartoon. Just check it out. Okay. The next
Sir,
steps.
I think this is from Wreck-It Ralph.
Next steps you are making here inside the here. Just do like this. One, two, three. One, two, three. Like this.
Sir, is this an alien?
That is this okay? Sir, is this the ugly duckling?
No. Okay, I hope that now everyone understand what character it is. If I draw like this. Now tell what cartoon it is.
Is this an Pokemon?
Pikachu. Yes. Pikachu. It's a Pikachu.
Sir, Pikachu. This is Pokemon.
Yes. This is Pikachu.
Pikachu in the
Oh, sir, it is Pikachu.
Yes, it's a Pikachu, the Pokemon. And now I make one more thing. I just created one.
Sir, I have watched Pikachu the Detective.
Wow. Make it one
That is
circle
now.
over here.
Sir,
Make it
that
one
is
circle
now.
over here. And
Sir,
join
that
this.
is.
Join
Sir,
this.
that is now on Netflix.
Yeah. Just join this. Like this.
Sir? Sir?
Yes.
Could you wait for a minute?
Yeah, I'll wait for a minute.
I'm still doing the face.
Yeah, take time. Aram.
Sir, can we go to the next step?
Sir, I'm done.
Okay. Now next step, just erasing this line and do like this. One, two, like this, and one, two, like this. Take your time.
मेरे हाथों में कैसे ना
Make the leg like that. And make one more. One, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, five. Do this. Done.
No, sir.
Take time. Take time. Aram se.
Come on.
Take your time. Now you can take your any if you have any marker pen or you can dark color border with your color dip pencil. Okay, you can buy the marker whiteboard marker. So I
Sir,
just
do we color the drawings with oil pencil or color pencils?
yeah
And sir, do we have to erase that line in the field
yeah
line?
I erase all line right. I erase all construction line, the straight line inside the face. No, this is I can erase. First I do border and then I did erasing this all line so it looks good.
Sir, sir, sir,
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
Can you wait for a minute? I'm still
Tell me.
facing it
You
from
can
the
all of
back.
you can buy this type of color, the pastel color. Okay. It is good for
Could you wait
coloring.
for a minute? I'm still facing.
Now we can put the full of color is yellow. Make sure how to draw, how to put. I see this straight line, straight like this. Do like this very
But
nicely.
start coloring.
Sir, which yellow is that?
That is a chrome yellow or deep yellow.
Sir, can I use lemon yellow?
Not lemon yellow. If you have, yeah, I can use lemon yellow too.
Sir, can I use this yellow?
Yeah, you can use this yellow. Aram se.
No. That Pikachu is very cute. No, no,
Very
no, no.
cute.
Sir, which
Yes.
yellow are you using?
Sorry, beta.
Which yellow are you using?
This is actually called a chrome yellow or deep yellow. You can use uh, any yellow. If you have lemon yellow also, it's fine. First tone, I put the
Sir, can we use lemon yellow?
yes. This is the shadow. Put the shadow also. This is the shadow. Okay. First make the full yellow, the first tone, and then you use the shadow. When you use the shadow, that means the sunlight coming from this side. This is sunlight coming from this side, so that's why this side shadow. Okay, opposite side shadow. Aram se take your time. Hayat, understood beta? Hayat?
Yes, sir. Sir, I am like
Wow.
Sir, can you wait?
Hmm?
Sir, can you wait for 5 minutes?
Sorry?
Sir, can you wait for 5 minutes to go to the next drawing?
sir, is it okay?
No, you are not finished. I did the second one.
Remember, don't splash water. Okay, sir, but can you wait for the next step also, please?
What?
Sir,
What?
Sir, can you wait for the next? Sir, can you wait for 2 minutes?
Yeah, I wait. Don't worry.
sir, is this okay?
Sir,
Sir,
Yeah.
house mine.
Nice, nice.
Sir, can you see?
Yeah, it's
Excuse me, sir.
we are doing the second tone. Okay, just wait 1 minute.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Ready for a fun.
Yeah. Sir, black we have to use it in the end of the drawing.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir,
my name is Raghavi. How's mine?
Yes, Raghavi, this is fine.
excuse me, sir.
Yes, we are doing the second tone now.
Excuse me, sir.
Come inside. Yes, beta.
On top of Pikachu's ears, it's normally actually black.
Okay. So we are doing this. Come on. So we are going to.
Sir, is this my drawing is okay?
Yes, yes. We are going to the second tone because the sunlight coming from this side. So you can go ahead the dark tone. The sunlight coming from this sides. So you can put over here. This side is a dark shadow. Okay, the light and shadow is very important of the drawing. Okay, light comes from here. Whatever it is, sunlight or it is a bulb or something. So this part is light. This part is dark. So how to?
Sir, what is this color are you using?
It's an orange, beta. This is the orange.
Sir, which orange? I have only got dark orange and orange.
You can use a orange only, not dark orange. Okay. We are putting the second tone also. This is the first tone of shadow. Second tone of shadow, I'm using the brown. Okay. Just a minute. So now we can go ahead to the put the brown. This is a deep brown for the dark shadow. So light, shadow, dark shadow. For dark shadow, we are doing. Okay.
Sir, is this okay? Sir, is this okay?
Yes, 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 yes. First finish it up. I see all of your drawing. So this is a dark shadow, okay? Light shadow and dark shadow. So you can put the dark shadow like this. See here, the bronze signer. I put the bronze signer. First finish this much, okay? You can create the scenery with this drawing also. Just I create over here the Pikachu in a jungle. So I make some leaf over here, 4 or 5 leaves. I create one tree over here. So it looks like a scenery. So we can add the scenery over here. So create like
Sir,
this.
we are just drawing the Pikachu only, or we are drawing the Ash also.
No Ash, beta, only Pikachu.
Okay, sir.
So I can create over here.
Sir, can I draw a scenery?
Yes, beta, I can add the scenery over here. So it's
Add rocks.
yeah, it's if you add scenery, it looks more nice, right? Isn't it? So make some flower, just add something like that. Okay, the grasses in foreground. This is called a foreground, this is a midground, and this is a background. For foreground, I using some leaves and the flower. And for the midground, I just make the small tree and the land, some stone, small stone like that. Okay. And tree also, small tree like this. And the background, we can make the clouds, like cloud, sun, because sunlight is